Here I am, the nature. People say that please stop for coming disaster. So why? I am sending for the end of the world, but it's not for I'm sending for peace. I'm sending for missing someone that one for the destiny aligned. But no one destiny aligned is always spirit alive. But I fools up and I lit up and or copy in nakayamana. But for the destiny is always be representable of my connection, but not. Always the divine connected for the coming as a revelation, the light. So what do you mean? People did not know. People questioning about who I am. But periodically I am revelation code. That's the one that I choose it.